You like it now? Okay. As long as you also like it.
Hello. Oh. Hello everybody. My mommy gonna paint. Because she like it black. Because black is beautiful. I also like black. Bye. But I'm so paint. I'm just gonna watch her.
Okay, mommy's first gonna put the first coat and then the second one. And then when it's dry, mommy's gonna come back to it. And then when it's done, you're gonna love it.
I would say, whoa, it's so beautiful.
It's exactly what you'll say.
I say, whoa, it's so beautiful. I want to keep it forever. Yeah, whoa. I mustn't touch it.
Not when it's wet, my baby.
Okay. Only when it's dry. Only when it's dry.
Yes.
I mustn't scratch it when it's dry.
No.
I only can touch it when it's dry.
Yes, my baby. Okay, let's leave it to dry a little bit now, okay?
Okay.
The situation right now. It's raining, so I'm going to stop spray painting. So that is the first coat. I only managed to put on the first coat on that one. This one is done. And then I think I decided I'm gonna make this one also that color, or there's another beige color that I got. This one I'm gonna make it beige, and then this gold. I'm just gonna wait for it to stop raining and then continue.
An upcoming DIY for homemade ornaments.
So I've just done like a few touches of Christmas in my son's room. He wanted Miles Morales colors for his tree. I am going to show you guys later when it's a bit darker and the lights are on. How cute is this? I really love this. So this is just bubbles, and then I just put the velvet ribbon on here just to give it some elegance, you know. Really like the way the velvet looks. And these are just some bubbles that I spray painted. I think they came out really nice with the velvet, but I also love this ribbon. I can't even remember where I got that from. So that's more or less his tree. Let me see if I put on the lights, if it makes any difference. And he likes obviously the multicolor lights.